Hey, I'm Jenny,
I'm Peyton.
and we had problem number 8. Beth has 3,000 feet of fencing to enclose a rectangular field. For A, we had to find the equation of the area when x equals the length of the rectangle. For B, we had to find out the value of x when the area is largest. And for C, we had to find the maximum area.
So this is the starting equation: 2x plus 2y equals 3,000, and we change it to y equals -1x plus 1,500. And to find area, you have to do y times x. So we have x times -1x plus 1,500. So the area of x equals -1x squared plus 1,500x.
Okay? And then that's the answer for A. This is B. We used negative B over 2A to find the vertex or the axis of symmetry. And you'd plug in 1,500 for B. So it's negative 1,500 over 2 times -1, which equals 750. And that'd be feet because it's a length. For C, you'd put in A of 750 equals -1 times 750 to the second, and just put it into the equation. And in the end, this equals A of 750 equals
And our problem was
to the second.